So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pavel Berkovich, and I'm the project manager for Group India. So, today I'm going to tell you about our project, which is called Events at the Computer Lab. First, I'll tell you about what it's all about, then how it works, and then hopefully we'll finish the presentation. So, but first, let me tell you about Bluetooth Low Energy. Basically, it is a technology which is described as Bluetooth 4 standard. It allows to build small, tiny beacons like this, which just sit there wherever you put them and transmit the information about themselves about 12 times a second. The information is roughly like beacon ID, how much battery it has left, and so on. So the good thing about them is that they can survive for about several months on 2 AA batteries, and luckily, thanks to Dr. Robert Harley and the company called CSR, we have about 100 of these in the computer lab to play around with and do something useful. So what sort of useful things can we actually do? For example, we can do location-based advertising, or we can track the keys, which all of us are constantly losing. And all of this is based on the idea that, oh, if you see beacon X, then you take action Y. So what we have decided to do is something more technologically advanced, something more challenging. One of the things which we were doing was to create a positioning system. So we are determining your position inside the computer lab. Then we use this position to deliver some educational content. In particular, we have created a mobile app to list the upcoming events in the computer lab in the order of their physical proximity to your current location. So if you take a look at the screenshot on the slides, then you will see that we are in LT1, and LT1 is actually on top of the list. So then if you press on one of the events, then you will see some, you will be presented a web page with some useful and interesting content. For example, lecture notes, a talk handout, and so on. So how do we do it? This is the basic structure of our system. We have the mobile app, then we have the server, which has the location service and the content service. So the mobile app sends the beacon readings to the location service, which determines the probable location zones. Then the mobile app fetches the list of upcoming events, sorts them in the order of physical proximity, and then requests the individual web pages as individual. In a bit more detail, our server is using a Python framework called Flask, because it's fast, reliable, and also available on Python. In the location service, we use the neighbors algorithm on the pre-taken set of measurements in order to determine where you actually are. So the mobile app just measures the signal strength of various beacons, sends them to the location service, receives the probability weighted list of possible locations where you can be, and then uses a graph-based representation of the computer lab in order to sort them in the order of physical proximity, basically sort them by the length of the shortest path. In conclusion, I would like to say that the app actually works. So we have learned a lot, and the learning curve has been quite steep, but to be honest, I really feel that all of us, all the members of our team have improved both individually and as a team as a whole. Also, I would like to thank my team members for being really supportive, always being able to communicate with each other and produce running code. And thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation.